संविधानाच्या आडसाक रावन लोकशाही काबार करपाचो यत्न बीजेपीचे सरकार करता. बीजेपी काँग्रेस मुक्त भारत न्ही लोकशाही मुक्त भारत करपाचो आसा म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो ट्राजन उलयला. राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हाक डबल एटिट्यूडा वयल्यान काँग्रेसीन शिटकावणी दिली. काँग्रेस खंय 22 सीट तरी काडटलीच.
माझो सपोर्ट घेवपाचो प्रश्न येना. आमी 22 हाडटा.
22 कोण कोणाक घेवन येता?
22 आमचे काँग्रेसचे येता विदाउट एनी सपोर्ट आउटसाइड सपोर्ट.
गोवा कोणाक सपोर्ट नाका तुका?
22 येता कोणाक जाता? माय कोण येता तो दोन न्हू.
Out of 37, mare.
The BJP government at the center has started using the constitutional authorities or the guardians of the constitution to subvert democracy. लोकशाही चेडपाचो दामपाचो प्रयत्न घटनेचे अधिकार जे आसात घटनेचे राखणदार जे आसात तिंचो वापर घटनेचो राखणदार जी आसा तो आयज इतले दीस ठेवता कोणाक आपोवपाचो हे म्हाका प्रश्न. टू मेक ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कॉल इट इज ए कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट. वन साइड a chief minister is resigned, we have kept him as caretaker. The other side there is a claim and he is not taking it up, allowing a lot of horse trading to go on. ही भारतीय जनता पार्टीची संस्कृती to finish democracy once and for all. So the idea of Bharatiya Janata Party of say Congress Mukta Bharat is basically Lokshahi Mukta Bharat. It is the Congress party that kept democracy and has cherished democracy for all these years it is existing. The present government in its various actions, demonetization maybe, the dictatorial attitude that it has been functioning is a clear indication that they are for Lokshahi Mukta Bharat. And we condemn this strongly. I would like to caution the government, our present government, not to create hurdles and problems to swear in a secular government which is voted in power or which is voted to power, which will be revealed on the 11th of March. And if she tries to do it, she will have to face the ire of the people of Rome. I am giving you examples. When you have a governor sitting with a minister who has been held guilty of grabbing land which is confirmed by the Supreme Court, and on the other side you have a governor who is not inviting somebody because there is likely to be a judgment against her. Therefore I am cautioning you, because the attitudes of the governors are different yardsticks for different people in different situations.
कुर्टी फोण्या एक ट्रक लायटीच्या खांब्याक मोखलो. 2 लायटीचे खांबे डॅमेज जाल्यात. मेळिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण ट्रक खंय रिपेर करपाक गॅरेजीच्या भायर दवरिल्लो. गियर शिफ्ट जावन तो रस्त्यार पावलो. ट्रकांत खंय कोणूच नाशिल्लो. कोणाक कांय जावंक ना. मात त्या वाठारांत कांय वरां लायट गेली आनी ट्रॅफिक मातसो जॅम जालो. ट्रॅफिक निमणे दुसरे वटेन डायवर्ट करचो पडलो. घेव एक ब्रेक.